dapat dili lang ka mabasa pag kuan express og emotion kay para ug mas ganahan ng mga viewers para madaog ka. Kay daw kung mga Filipino na how sila mabasa. Pero ang lahi is katong mga emotion.
Correct.
Emosasyon. Nino to mga
Dapat
emotion.
with emotion and face.
Face expression.
Opo.
Facial expression.
Kung sa tawag na? Facial, ano?
Expression. Facial expression.
Facial expression. So, nakasabot na kakiana
Like you have to raise your eyebrows like that. Like, you have to be like walk ang noun. Yeah.
If you can do walk your now because of the facial expression, why not?
I want to be a wakwa.
You want to be a walk?
Yeah, that's good. So that you can,